GoDaddy Website Builder Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the products are added in the description below. In today's video, we're going to review GoDaddy Website Builder for dropshipping, diving into its features, strengths, and weaknesses so you can make an informed decision. GoDaddy is widely known for domain registration and web hosting, but its website builder is a viable platform for creating and running an online dropshipping store. The integration with third-party dropshipping services like ShipBob makes it easy to import products and set up a store in just a few clicks. With its intuitive drag-and-drop builder, GoDaddy simplifies the website creation process, making it suitable for beginners or small business owners without technical expertise. One of the key strengths of GoDaddy Website Builder is its ease of use. The platform provides a straightforward, beginner-friendly interface to build your site without the need for coding. Additionally, it offers built-in marketing tools, such as email marketing and social media integration, which can help boost your store's visibility. The automatic payment processing and secure checkout options are also built into the platform, simplifying your overall sales flow. Another strong feature is the mobile responsive design. GoDaddy optimizes your website for mobile devices automatically, which is essential as more and more customers shop from their phones. The platform also offers reliable customer support to assist you at any point during the setup and operation of your store. However, GoDaddy Website Builder does have its limitations. One of the drawbacks is the limited customization options compared to more open-source platforms like WooCommerce or Shopify. If you need advanced functionality or unique features, you might find GoDaddy restrictive. Additionally, GoDaddy charges transaction fees, which can add up over time, especially as your sales volume increases. In conclusion, GoDaddy Website Builder is a solid choice for entrepreneurs looking for a user-friendly, all-in-one solution for dropshipping. It's perfect for beginners or small businesses, but may not be the best fit for advanced users needing full customization and scalability. Check the description below for links to the products, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.